Hi, Dr. Rose here with Natural Transplants, and we are following up with Jeff at his 4-month mark. And wow, what a difference. Show everybody what's going on with your hairline and everything. Yeah, look down.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, all this was non-existent before. The hairline, everything. Results are awesome. I mean, you've done an excellent job, and I couldn't be more pleased and excited to see the rest of the growth.
I can't wait to see the rest. So just so that we know, at 4 months, we usually don't expect any growth. And whatever growth that we have, these are miniature hairs that are going to mature over the course of the year. So it's usually patchy, tiny hairs, little sproutlings, and this is going to be really much more dense and much more full, but it's already such a difference and a wow. And I love how it frames your face. And has everyone been commenting or saying things?
Sure. I mean, people notice it. They're like, "Oh my God, it looks so great!" And I'm like, "It's just the beginning." So
definitely, definitely.
Yeah.
How
people are surprised. Yeah.
Wonderful. All right, so we just want to do a quick video to show your amazing result at this point, and definitely can't wait to see it in 12 months, and that'll be a real wow as well.
I'm excited, and I appreciate what you've done for me. This is awesome.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you so much.
It's our absolute pleasure.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.